Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.
Welcome back, machine learning practitioners and data scientists. Today, we're diving into the workhorse of traditional machine learning in Python, Scikit-learn. Whether you're just starting out with machine learning or looking for a reliable toolkit for classic algorithms, Scikit-learn is about to become your most trusted companion. In this video, we'll explore why Scikit-learn is considered the Swiss Army knife of machine learning and how it can empower your real-world projects. Get ready to discover practical, hands-on insights that will help you build robust models efficiently. Let's get started on this journey together. While deep learning often grabs the headlines, the reality is that most real-world machine learning problems are still solved using traditional algorithms. Scikit-learn provides a consistent, well-designed interface to these tried-and-true methods, powering countless applications across industries. Think of Scikit-learn as your reliable toolbox for the ML fundamentals methods that work efficiently and are perfectly suited for most business problems. In this scene, we'll set the stage for why mastering Scikit-learn is essential for any data scientist or machine learning practitioner. Scikit-learn is an open-source Python library designed for machine learning. It provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis, making it a favorite among data scientists. Built on top of NumPy and SciPy, Scikit-learn integrates seamlessly with the Python scientific stack. Its consistent API means you can switch between algorithms with ease, and its production-ready nature ensures reliability. Whether you need classification, regression, clustering, or pre-processing, Scikit-learn covers all major machine learning algorithms. However, it's not intended for deep learning or large-scale distributed computing. Scikit-learn shines in traditional supervised learning tasks like classification and regression, as well as unsupervised learning such as clustering and dimensionality reduction. It's also great for model evaluation, selection, and data preprocessing. However, if you're working on deep learning or reinforcement learning, you'll want to look at libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Scikit-learn is best for problems where reliability, efficiency, and interpretability are key. One of Scikit-learn's biggest strengths is its unified and intuitive API. Every algorithm, whether it's a classifier, regressor, or transformer, follows the same pattern. You create an estimator, fit it to your data, and then use it to make predictions or transform data. This consistency means that once you learn the interface for one algorithm, you can easily apply it to others. The main methods you'll use are fit, taught-predict, transform, and taught-score. This design makes experimenting with different models fast and straightforward. Let's look at a typical workflow in Scikit-learn. First, you import your estimator, such as Random Forest Classifier or SVC. You create an instance with your chosen parameters, fit it to your training data, and then use it to make predictions on your test set. The beauty of Scikit-learn is that this pattern is the same for all algorithms, whether you're working with random forests, support vector machines, or logistic regression. This makes it easy to compare models and find the best fit for your data. Scikit-learn covers a wide range of machine learning tasks. For classification, you have algorithms like logistic regression, SVM, random forests, and more. Regression tasks are handled by linear regression, ridge, lasso, and tree-based models. Clustering includes k-means, dbScan, and hierarchical clustering. For dimensionality reduction, you can use PCA, TSNE, or UMAP. Pre-processing tools help with scaling, normalization, encoding, and handling missing values. Finally, model selection features like cross-validation and hyperparameter tuning round out the toolkit. Classification is one of the most common tasks in machine learning, and Scikit-learn offers a variety of algorithms to tackle it. You can choose from logistic regression, support vector machines, random forests, naive Bayes, k-nearest neighbors, decision trees, and gradient boosting. Each has its strengths and is suited to different types of data and problems. With Scikit-learn, you can easily try multiple classifiers and select the one that performs best for your use case. For regression tasks, Scikit-learn provides linear regression, ridge, lasso, decision trees, random forests, and support vector regression. These models are great for predicting continuous values, such as house prices or sales forecasts. Linear models are often used as baselines, while tree-based and support vector methods can capture more complex relationships. Scikit-learn makes it simple to implement and evaluate these algorithms. Clustering is an unsupervised learning technique used to group similar data points. Scikit-learn offers k-means for simple and efficient clustering, dbScan for discovering clusters of arbitrary shapes, and hierarchical clustering for building cluster trees. These methods are invaluable for tasks like customer segmentation and anomaly detection. With Scikit-learn, you can quickly experiment with different clustering algorithms to uncover hidden patterns in your data. High-dimensional data can be challenging to work with. Scikit-learn provides powerful dimensionality reduction techniques like principal component analysis, PCA, TSNE, and UMAP. These methods help you visualize complex datasets, reduce noise, and improve model performance. Feature selection and manifold learning are also supported, making it easier to focus on the most relevant information in your data. Good data preparation is the foundation of any successful machine learning project. Scikit-learn offers a suite of pre-processing tools, including scaling, normalization, encoding categorical variables, imputing missing values, and feature extraction. These tools help ensure your data is clean and ready for modeling, reducing the risk of errors and improving model accuracy. Choosing the right model is crucial for success. Scikit-learn provides robust model selection tools, including cross-validation, hyperparameter tuning, and a variety of evaluation metrics. These features help you systematically compare models and select the one that best fits your data and business goals. With Scikit-learn, you can automate much of the model selection process, saving time and improving results. The first step in any machine learning workflow is data preparation. With Scikit-learn, you can easily handle missing values using simple imputer and scale your features with standard scaler. These steps ensure your data is clean and standardized, which is essential for building reliable models. Proper data preparation lays the groundwork for the rest of your machine learning pipeline. After preparing your data, the next step is to split it into training and testing sets. Scikit-learn's train, test, split function makes this process simple and reproducible. By separating your data, you can train your model on one portion and evaluate its performance on unseen data, helping to prevent overfitting and ensuring your results are robust. With your data prepared and split, it's time to train your model. Scikit-learn supports a wide range of algorithms, and training is as simple as calling the fit method on your estimator. For example, you can train a random forest classifier with just a few lines of code. This simplicity allows you to focus on experimenting and improving your models. Evaluating your model's performance is a critical step. Scikit-learn provides metrics like accuracy, score, and classification. Report to help you assess how well your model is doing. By comparing predictions to actual outcomes, you can identify strengths and weaknesses, guiding further improvements. Effective evaluation ensures your model is ready for real-world deployment. Linear models are a great starting point for many machine learning tasks. Scikit-learn offers linear regression for predicting continuous values and logistic regression for classification problems. Ridge and lasso are regularized versions that help prevent overfitting. These models are not only easy to interpret but also serve as strong baselines for more complex algorithms. Tree-based models are powerful tools for capturing complex relationships in your data. Decision trees are simple and interpretable, while random forests combine multiple trees for robustness and reduced overfitting. Gradient boosting offers high performance by sequentially improving weak learners. These models are especially effective for nonlinear data and are widely used in industry. Support vector machines, SVMs, are versatile algorithms that work well for both classification and regression. SVC is used for classification, while SVR handles regression tasks. SVMs are particularly effective for complex boundaries and high-dimensional data, thanks to the use of kernel tricks. They are a solid choice when you need robust performance on challenging datasets. Clustering algorithms help you discover structure in your data without labels. K-means is fast and efficient for well-separated clusters. DB-scan can find clusters of arbitrary shapes, and hierarchical clustering builds nested clusters. These techniques are invaluable for tasks like customer segmentation and anomaly detection, helping you uncover insights that drive business decisions. Dimensionality reduction simplifies complex datasets, making them easier to visualize and model. PCA is a linear method that reduces dimensions while preserving variance. TSNE and UMAP are powerful for visualizing high-dimensional data, revealing patterns that might otherwise be hidden. These tools are essential for exploratory data analysis and improving model performance. Cross-validation is a key technique for assessing model performance. By splitting your data into multiple folds, you can train and test your model on different subsets, ensuring your results are robust and not dependent on a single split. Scikit-learn's cross-val score function makes this process easy, providing average scores and variability to guide your model selection. Finding the best settings for your model can make a big difference in performance. Scikit-learn's Grid Search CV automates the process of testing different hyperparameter combinations, using cross-validation to find the optimal configuration. This systematic approach saves time and helps you get the most out of your models. Choosing the right evaluation metric is crucial for understanding your model's performance. Scikit-learn provides metrics for both classification and regression, including accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, ROC-AUC, mean squared error, and R-squared. Selecting the appropriate metric ensures you're measuring what matters most for your specific problem. Learning curves help you visualize how your model's performance changes as you increase the amount of training data. Scikit-learn's learning curve function makes it easy to plot training and validation scores, helping you diagnose issues like overfitting or underfitting. This insight guides decisions about data collection and model complexity. Pipelines in Scikit-learn help you organize your machine learning workflow by chaining pre-processing steps and model training into a single object. This approach prevents data leakage, ensures reproducibility, and makes deployment easier. With pipelines, you can streamline your workflow and focus on building better models. Scikit-learn powers machine learning solutions across industries. In business and finance, it's used for customer churn prediction, credit risk assessment, and fraud detection. Healthcare applications include disease diagnosis and patient readmission prediction. Marketing teams use it for customer segmentation and recommendation systems, while manufacturing relies on it for quality control and predictive maintenance. The versatility of Scikit-learn makes it a go-to tool for practical, impactful machine learning. Ready to try Scikit-learn? Installation is as simple as running pip install Scikit-learn. For your first project, consider classic datasets like iris flower classification, Boston housing price prediction, customer segmentation with the mall dataset, or Titanic survival prediction. These projects are great for building foundational skills and gaining confidence with the Scikit-learn workflow. To get the most out of Scikit-learn, start simple-use linear models as baselines and default parameters before exploring more complex algorithms. Always clean and pre-process your data thoroughly, handle missing values, and scale features when necessary. Use appropriate evaluation metrics and cross-validation to ensure robust results. Stay updated with new releases and contribute to the community to keep your skills sharp. Scikit-learn remains the foundation of practical machine learning because it focuses on what works reliably in production. While deep learning has its place, Scikit-learn's algorithms solve the vast majority of real-world business problems efficiently and interpretably. Mastering Scikit-learn gives you a solid foundation that applies to any machine learning framework you might use in the future. Are you ready to master traditional machine learning? With Scikit-learn, you have everything you need to build reliable, production-ready models. Remember, sometimes the simplest solution is the best solution, and Scikit-learn delivers exactly that. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and let Scikit-learn be your guide to practical machine learning success.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.